Welcome back to my channel Digital Sprout. Today I am going to unbox Portronics newly launched mini USB table fan Toofan. I'll tell you each and everything about this fan, so stay tuned and watch the video till the end. This mini USB fan has two color variants. One is blue-black and other is white. Portronics is renowned Indian electronics brand and the fan name is Toofan. It has several salient features: 360-degree rotation and strong airflow. Highlighted features are written in the side of the box pack: rechargeable battery of 2000 mAh, copper brushless motor, 3-speed modes. Other side contents: strong wing, 3D curved blade, noiseless design. On the box pack, the MRP is written as 599, but the e-commerce sites are selling this product at 899. This product has 1 year warranty. Now let's unveil the product quickly. Let's see what the box pack contains. This is the main unit, the USB fan, some documentation and one USB to micro USB cable. This is. Register the warranty of the product in the following process. And now this is the table fan of blue-black variant. You can see here Portronics logo is in the center of the fan. It is very small, looks good, and the base is very broad and it contains two anti-skid material. As the base is broad and contains anti-slip design, so it will be stable for maximum of the surfaces. At the back side of the fan, it is written clearly the battery is 2000 mAh, input is 5 volt 1 ampere DC. This is the micro USB charging port. Beside it there is a small LED. This is the button by which on off and 3-speed mode can be activated. This is the fast mode. Second speed mode. Third speed mode. Again press the button to switch it off. Fan can be rotated according to your desired orientation in this way. Now visualize the strongness of the airflow in different modes in this way. Activating second speed mode. Now third and highest speed mode. Now check the dimensions of the fan. That means this is very small fan, mini fan. Now you also can gauge the dimensions of the fan with respect to the power bank. Now I'll show you how to charge this fan. This is the input is 5 volt 1 ampere. When it will be inserted, it will be shown by a red LED light. You can see here clearly. Now the question is, should we buy this fan or not? Within a price tag of 899, it's a good choice for small type of work or purposes. It has low noise, portable, 3-speed mode with a single on-off button, lightweight, only 230 gram weight. But it has few drawbacks. Due to its small dimension, wind is not up to the mark. Front grille cannot be opened easily for cleaning purpose. No indicator for the full charge of the battery. Except this few drawback, this is excellent for small work with good build quality and with 2000 mAh battery. Thank you.